Yo, what is good? What is good, my people? Let's take this bitch out. So basically, what's going on? I blew second. Second's gone. It makes decent power. It makes 216 to the wheels. It's a little D series turbo. I got some big things coming for it though. Right now I'm trying to figure out like what tranny. I don't know if to go to D2B, like D2B, like use a B series transmission. Because honestly, I do like the single cams. They make some power, especially since this is non-VTEC. Makes pretty good power. It's got a Musa turbo kit on it. Pretty much everything Musa, injectors, everything. But I bought it like that. So now I'm doing upgrades. So pretty much I'm redoing the whole car. Like I'm redoing the engine bay. And sorry if I like zone out low. I'm trying to focus because my car is really low. I'm not trying to hit shit. But so I'm gonna do injectors. I'm probably gonna go with fuel injector clinics, 1000 cc's. I'm gonna go with Walbro 450, trying to make at least 260, 270 to the wheels. Blow it up, and then I'm gonna have another motor ready for it. I don't know if I'm gonna go. I don't know if I'm gonna stay D series or if I'm gonna go K. I really do like I like the D series, so I might. But who knows? Man, I'm so used to going in second. So bad. I'm like so like upset that I blew second gear. Sucks so much. I need second gear bad. JDM headlight block off. I got the password JDM RAM intake. The car is gonna come out really nice really soon, so just waiting for the parts to come in. I just bought the Kevlar cooling plate. It was pretty cheap, so got some upgrades coming. I'm probably gonna get it tuned by Xenocron, or I might go to Chris Miller. I tried messaging Jamie Marsh and them, but they don't respond, so it is what it is. I would like Jamie Marsh to tune the car, but it is what it is, you know. I'm gonna figure out how to mount my GoPro in the back, so like I don't have to wear it on my fucking head. Shit is mad annoying. But I'll give you guys a quick little like third gear pull up here. It moves. It makes power. It could make more. I'm probably gonna buy a D16 Y8 motor and just build that, like put pistons and rods in it. So when this one does blow, I'll just be ready to swap it right in. Make like 400 or 500. So I can't wait for the password JDM parts to come in. This shit's gonna be awesome. Tell you something. I felt good, man. I felt real good. I wish I could upgrade the shifter for this damn fucking car. Put like a billet racing shifter, but like they don't make that, man, for D series. They make very little parts for D series, which sucks. It is what it is. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Sound purdy. When that wastegate fabricate open. I don't even like the guy who sold, like, who had it done. He doesn't even have an open dump fabricated. Like, he just has it open. Like, the flange is open. Like, so I hit up my boy Squeeze. He referred me to STS Auto Design. So I'm gonna have the all fabricated. I'm gonna have the hood exit exhaust, the hood exit open dump. I actually tried messaging him to see if there was any way we can combine the open dump into the hood exit, but I'll just do two separate things. It'll look real nice. It'll sound a lot better too. It sounds nice right now with the Yonaka. I think it's got a Yonaka exhaust on it. So it's a little single cam, man. That's all I can say. It wants to party, you know. Not too sure where we're gonna go today, but I would like to go to Hawk's Nest. So I'm not too sure where we are. My boy never messaged me up. Kind of sucks. Literally uses no gas. Literally Honda shit, bro. Literally, like, I probably drove at least like, I don't even know, man. I drove at least like 100 miles, at least 120 miles or something. And I drove 40 from where I got it all the way to my dad's, and then like I drove it all the way around like where I'm at right now, and my gas gauge went down very little, and I did consistent pulls. Like, you guys don't understand, like in my Subaru it was so bad. Like, I could do pulls in my Subaru and I would lose gas so easy, so easy. Like I said, I just got the car, so I'm still getting familiar with like downshifting and shit and rev matching, but I'm getting the hang of it. I just wish my second was working, man. That sucks so much. But I don't like fucking hills, man. Fuck bog. First to third is a bitch. If anybody knows who's selling like a trainee, let me know, cause I could use that shit. I'm gonna take the new trainee that I get, I'm gonna put carbon synchros, and you know, hopefully it holds it. Put a 6-puck clutch in it and shit, you know. Not go too crazy, but like build it a little bit, because like I said, I don't know, I want to stay D series right now, but I don't know if I want to go what the fuck is it, K series. Seems to be driving good. Yo, shout out to my boy Terrence. Look at his bikes and shit, man. He's sick. It's my homie right there, man. I used to work with him at Home Depot. Mad chill. He used to have a 400 horsepower, a 7. He destroyed the motor though. His car was too low and it fucking scraped the oil pan, and he didn't know, and lost oil pressure because of all the oil, so blew the motor. Nothing you can do about that. You just gotta be careful with these cars, they're so low and shit. But yeah, I'll probably cut it short, right? Not short, but I'll be back. I'm gonna record some more videos, so stay tuned, alright? I'll be back. I'm gonna edit this into the next video.